How to equip weapons in solo leveling Arise. In this video, I will show you how to equip weapons in solo leveling Arise. So first, when you're setting up your team right before a match, go to the screen where you can choose your hunters will join you. This setup stage is the best time to equip the perfect weapon. Once you have picked your hunter, look for the weapon option. Tap on it and you will see a list of all available weapons that can be equipped for that character. This gives you the flexibility to customize each hunter's gear based on the challenge ahead. Browse through the weapon choices, then select the one that best suits your hunter's skills, and then just tap to assign it. Once assigned, your weapon will be equipped and ready for battle. And that's it. You are ready to jump into the action with your newly equipped weapon. Thanks for watching, and if this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.